A combination of heavy snow and strong winds at high elevation led the Flathead Avalanche Center to issue their first avalanche warning of the season on Sunday. The 24-hour avalanche warning expired Monday morning in the Flathead and Whitefish mountain ranges in Glacier National Park. Flathead Avalanche Center Director Blase Reardon expects avalanche conditions to remain dangerous throughout this week, with the possibility of another warning being issued.
That'll depend on how strong these storms turn out to be, how much snow they deliver, and how much wind they bring.
Blase says mountain ranges have seen a sudden uptick in snow, leading to dangerous conditions on steep slopes and high elevation.
We've literally gone from 0 to 60 with our snowpack, and that's like 0 inches to 60 inches on the ground at a lot of mid-elevations in the last 2.5 weeks.
Blase says those venturing into the backcountry need to be well prepared with full avalanche gear and never travel alone. He says early season conditions can be some of the most dangerous.
Snow immersion deaths, tree well deaths can be a real problem, and a small avalanche may not be particularly big, but if it pushes somebody into a tree well, it can have very serious consequences, particularly if somebody's traveling alone.
A full avalanche daily forecast is posted on the Avalanche Center's website each morning at 7 a.m. In Kalispell, Sean Wells, MTN News.